Everyone loves avocado. The trendiest way to eat it? Avocado toast. Both foodies and average Joes seem to adore it. It's suddenly on the menu at every culinary hotspot in town. How could such a humble dish make such a big impact? Before we begin with this video, make sure to subscribe for more interesting videos and give us a like and let us know in the comments what your thoughts are. So let's get started. 3 reasons. 1. It's simple. The 2 essential ingredients are just avocado and toast. 2. It's delicious. Point me to a person who doesn't love the taste of cool, creamy avocado on a warm piece of toast, and I'll show you a person with disfigured taste buds. 3. It's healthy. But is avocado toast really good for you? Here's the lowdown on this wildly popular snack. A single avocado contains 322 calories and 29 grams of fat. Those are pretty staggering numbers for a fruit, but they are heavily influenced by avocado's high amount of healthy fat. 75% of an average-size avocado is made up of monounsaturated fats. According to the American Heart Association, monounsaturated fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. However, those benefits don't mean that avocado's high fat and calorie count cannot be problematic. The key is moderation. If you're wolfing down multiple avocados every single day, you're consuming a lot of extra calories and fat. But avocados aren't just high in monounsaturated fats. A single avocado also contains 10 grams of fiber and a significant amount of vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium and magnesium. These are all good things, especially the fiber. A diet high in fiber has numerous benefits. According to the Mayo Clinic, it helps to normalize bowel movements, lower cholesterol levels, control blood sugar, maintain bowel health and aid in achieving a healthy weight. The Harvard School of Public Health states that fiber appears to reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes and cardiovascular disease. One of the most interesting effects of fiber is that it slows digestion, which helps you feel fuller longer after you eat. This can be a great benefit for people who want to cut calories and lose weight, or for anyone looking for an afternoon snack to hold them over until dinner. The second ingredient in avocado toast is, well, toast. Toast comes in many forms. Whole grain bread is a good place to start if you're looking for a healthy, filling choice. Whole grain bread is high in complex carbohydrates, fiber and protein, all good things. So, is avocado toast healthy? In most cases, yes. It may be higher in fat and calories than a simple piece of fruit, but it should also be able to keep you fuller longer. Avocado toast also contains a huge number of useful nutrients and antioxidants, especially when made on whole grain bread. However, it is possible to go overboard with avocado toast. If you find yourself consuming more than a couple of slices a day, and your avocado is usually served on white bread along with additions like olive oil, you may be veering into an area where the dish is doing more harm than good. But as always, much of it depends on your personal calorie needs and your own diet and wellness goals.